Hello friends, we have to study the hydraulic turbines in which according to the energy available at the inlet of the turbine there are two types. One is the impulse turbine, second one is the reaction turbine. We have to study the impulse turbine construction, working principle and diagram, and also find out the work done, power, efficiency of that pentagon turbine of the impulse turbine. Now we have to study the reaction turbine. So what is the, first of all, what is the reaction turbine? At the inlet of the turbine, the water possesses kinetic energy as well as pressure energy. The turbine known as the reaction turbine. That म्हणजेच की त्याच्या इनलेटला दोन्ही एनर्जी अवेलेबल असेल आणि इन इम्पल्स टर्बाइन मध्ये ओनली द कायनेटिक एनर्जी आर प्रेझेंट, बट हियर ॲट द इनलेट kinetic energy as well as pressure energy available. That type of turbine is called as the reaction turbine. Then as the water flows through the runner, the water is under pressure and pressure energy goes on changing kinetic energy. म्हणजे जे काही तुमचं water flow होणार runner, the under the pressure and this pressure energy converted into the changing to the kinetic energy. The runner is completely enclosed into an airtight and runner and casing is completely full of water. In case of impulse turbine, in the casing cannot perform any hydraulic function, but here the runner and casing is completely full of water. That means there is no air gap in between runner and the casing. Okay, the example is a Francis turbine, Diploma turbine and propeller engine or the propeller turbines. Okay, in the reaction turbine, the waters enter the runner under the pressure having some velocity head. काहीतरी त्याला some velocity head ना ते काय करणार, enter करणार into the runner. While water passes the runner, its pressure is gradually converted into the velocity head until its pressure reduces to the atmospheric pressure. ज्यावेळेस तुमच्या रनरवर तुमचं जे काही वॉटर फ्लो झालं त्यावेळेस जी काही प्रेशर एनर्जी आहे ती चेंजिंग होणार आहे, ग्रॅज्युअली चेंजिंग होणार आहे इनटू द कायनेटिक एनर्जी. ओके, द रिएक्शन टर्बाइन इन द रिएक्शन ड्यू टू द प्रेशर डिफरन्स. या रिएक्शन मध्ये जे काही रिएक्शन होणार आहे ती ओनली द प्रेशर डिफरन्स अँड इट्स इम्पल्स ऍक्शन. It is a responsible, that is the pressure difference and impulse, it is the responsible for reaction of runner and producing the mechanical work. म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी दोन गोष्टी या ठिकाणी रिस्पॉन्सिबल आहे मेकॅनिकल वर्क होण्यासाठी. वन इज द प्रेशर डिफरन्स अँड सेकंड वन इज द इम्पल्स. या दोन गोष्टीमुळे तुम्हाला ठिकाणी मेकॅनिकल वर्क भेटणार आहे आणि ते मेकॅनिकल वर्क फर्दर कन्वर्टेड इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. Then the reaction turbine are suitable for low and medium head, that is 30 meter to 250 meter of head. Example, we have to also study the example, that is the Francis turbine, Kepler turbine and propeller turbine. Now the reaction turbine also classified in some types. We have to study the details of that type. The first type is the radial flow turbine. आता radial flow turbine म्हणजे काय, तर radial flow, the water flows along radially direction in the runner. म्हणजे जे काही वॉटर तुमचं फ्लो होणार आहे तुमच्या रनरवर ते रॅडियली फ्लो तुमचं होणार आहे, त्याला रॅडियल फ्लो आपण म्हणतात. आणि रॅडियल फ्लो टर्बाइन ऑल्सो क्लासिफाय इनटू टू टाइप्स. वन इज द इनवर्ड फ्लो टर्बाइन and outward flow turbine. Okay, so inward flow and outward flow, these are the example of radial flow. Okay, आता inward flow कोणाला म्हणायचं, कोणत्या टर्बाइनला म्हणायचं? In the inward flow turbine, the water enters at the outer periphery of runners. Water enters at the outer periphery of runner and flows radially इनवर्ड टुवर्ड द सेंटर ऑफ रनर्स. म्हणजे जे काही वॉटर आहे ते फ्लो होणार आहे इनवर्ड द रनर सेंटर ऑफ द रनर. that type turbine is called as the inward flow turbine. An example of this the old Francis turbine. Old Francis turbine. These are the example of inward. An outlet flow turbine means in outward flow turbine, the water enters at the center of runner and flow radially outward toward the outer periphery of runner. म्हणजे ही जे काही फ्लो होणार आहे ते तुमच्या रॅडिली फ्लो तुमच्या रनर होणार आहे आणि त्यानंतर ते फ्लो होणार आहे आउटवर्ड पेरिफेरी ऑफ द रनर. दॅट टाइप ऑफ टर्बाइन इज कॉल्ड एज द फ्लो आउटवर्ड फ्लो टर्बाइन. देन नेक्स्ट इज द axial flow turbine. Next is the axial flow turbine. Axial flow turbine. Okay. So what is the axial flow turbine? Axial flow turbine are called as the parallel turbine. This turbine is also called as the parallel turbine. Axial flow turbine is called as the parallel flow turbine. Flow turbine. In this turbine, the water enters and leaves the runner along the direction of parallel to the axis of shaft. म्हणजे जे काही तुमचं वॉटर एंटर्स होणार आहे ते तुमच्या ॲक्सिसच्या जे काही शाफ्टचा ॲक्सिस आहे त्याला पॅरलल असणार आहे. त्या फ्लोला त्या टाईपच्या टर्बाइनला आपण ॲक्सियल फ्लो टर्बाइन किंवा पॅरलल फ्लो टर्बाइन असं आपण म्हणतो. आणि लास्ट वन इज दॅट द मिक्स फ्लो टर्बाइन. मिक्स फ्लो mixed flow turbine. The mixed flow turbine, the water enters in the direction parallel. The water enters of the other water enters at the periphery of runner in radial direction and leave at the center of the direction parallel to the axis of rotation. That means in mixed flow turbine there are radial flow as well as axial flow. The mix of that two flows, that turbine is called as the mixed flow turbine. And this example is the modern Francis turbine. Modern Francis turbine. These are the regarding to the reaction turbine or the introduction about the reaction turbine. Thank you.